Investing your valuable time in e-commerce business is very profitable and also affordable as well. This type of business model requires very little to no capital at all. So stay tuned to find out why you should go for the e-commerce business model. Hello guys, I'm your host Josh and welcome to a brand new video segment from 𝐸𝐴. As of 2010, the e-commerce business started to boom and the trend of selling online has begun to grow exponentially. The main reason behind this huge growth is due to not requiring large capital or investment at the start of the business phase. With the e-commerce business, the sellers can sell their products across the whole world while enjoying the comfort of their homes. Today, we are going to take an in-depth look at why you should consider going for the e-commerce business. There are numerous marketplaces that people visit daily to get their desired products. Some of the top marketplaces are Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Etsy, and more. Opening your seller account in any of these marketplaces will provide you with large numbers of regular visitors and customers. There are several reasons why an online store is much more effective and profitable than a physical store. Starting off the list, we've got low financial costing, flexibility, easy to handle inventory, fewer overheads and risks, around-the-clock income possibility, personalized online experience, increase in sales, maximum security of transactions. Low financial costing. One of the main benefits of an e-commerce business is its lower startup cost. Physically renting a store is very costly and requires high maintenance and has many upfront costs. As your online store is online, your employees can work remotely, making it easier to find staffs that will benefit your company greatly. Branding is also cheaper with e-commerce. Your online store logo is more affordable than a store sign. Flexibility. The e-commerce platform lets people buy whatever they want, whenever they want, and from wherever they want on this planet. So sellers like you can easily control and manage your store from anywhere in the world. The benefit of always having your online store at your fingertips does change the business game by a lot. Easy to handle inventory. When you think about it, inventory plays the most crucial part in a business. E-commerce platforms provide you with constant updates on your current stocks and notifies you to refill them. This allows you to always stay one step ahead of everyone and have a constant supply at your disposal. Efficient handling of inventory will result in an increased profitability ratio. Fewer overheads and risks. Starting an online store can significantly lower the overall costs. The online business owners does not have to take into consideration of the high business expenses, like renting shops, hiring salespersons, paying utility bills, and more at the start. This, in turn, will enable you to sell your products at competitive pricings and enjoy higher profit ratio with less risks. Around-the-clock income possibility. In an e-commerce business, time isn't an issue at all. Your store is always open for visitors and potential customers who might be interested in your products. You can easily attract people in different time zones from any part of the world, whereas a physical store limits this option. The online store allows you to attract those who may have odd work schedules or do not have the time to shop in person. The best possible reason for opening an online store is that you will never need a security guard to protect your inventory. Personalized online experience. One of the best advantages of an online store is the ability to talk directly with your buyers and get to know what they want. This also provides you with an opportunity to monitor your buyers' every move and get an idea of their choice. You can also change your whole store layout based on the current trends. You can make an overhaul to bring new designs and styling to your store to attract more visitors. The cost of making all these changes does not compare to what it would cost you if you did the same changes to your physical store. Increase in sales. As the online store is open 24/7, it lets you have an unlimited customer reach opportunity. This in turn helps you to also generate more sales and profit. As there isn't any limitation to your sales timing, you can easily spread your wings and take your business to different heights. You're also given the choice of selling your products or services to other countries too, by adjusting your pricing to their market. This lets you spend less money while bringing in large revenues. You can ultimately save a huge portion of your money to expand your business. This will enable your company to have a faster growth compared to other traditional businesses. Maximum security of transactions. Having online transaction is almost safer and more reliable than doing it in a physical store. This provides buyers to keep their banking information safe from spying eyes. all of the top marketplaces already have SSL certification applied to their website, so that you do not have to worry about anything. That's all, folks. Hope you understood all the key reasons why e-commerce business model is fast growing and has limitless opportunities for everyone. If this video proves to be beneficial for you, please like and share this video with your friends and family. Also, comment below on what you want to see next or write down any questions you may have. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel 𝐸𝐴𝐶𝐜 and click on the bell icon to always be informed of our latest videos. You can also check our website www.𝐸𝐴𝐶𝐜.com. Please check the I button to watch our previous videos on e-commerce that may be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay active. Bye.